All right, let's get a little practice with informal speech. The thing to keep in mind again is that you're going to use the short version of affirmative verbs and the short negative version of negative verbs. As for adjectives, of course, you'll just use the negative versions minus des. The affirmative versions, same thing, minus des, and the same thing for nouns, although with non-adjectives and nouns, you may use da informally if you'd like for some extra emphasis, and you'll use janai for short negatives. Let's give it a shot. This exercise is taken directly from the Genki textbook, pages 198 and 199. I'll first ask you a question in informal Japanese. You'll see it in print on the screen, and I'll ask you to answer it in the affirmative. Pause for a moment so you can formulate the answer in your head. Unpause to check and see that you've got the answer correct, and then I'll ask you again and ask you to answer the question in informal Japanese so you get practice with both the polarities here. Here we go. 今日勉強する? 今日勉強する? Pause the video here. 勉強する. 勉強する. All right, how would you respond to that question? Negatively. Pause the video here. 勉強しない。勉強しない。今日友達に会う? 今日友達に会う? Pause the video here. 会う。会う. So you're probably looking at that response and you're thinking to yourself, that's just way too short. That can't be a real sentence in informal Japanese. This is something you're going to take some getting used to. In informal Japanese, the sentences are sort of pared back, stripped back of all the unnecessary parts, and just kind of the basics remain. Au is a perfectly good informal Japanese sentence. Yes, I'll meet. All right, how would you respond to that negatively? Pause the video here. 合わない。合わない。よくお茶を飲む? よくお茶を飲む? How do you answer that affirmatively in an informal way? Pause the video here. 飲む。飲む. And now, how would you answer that negatively? Pause the video here. 飲まない。飲まない。よく電車に乗る? よく電車に乗る? Pause the video here. よく乗る。よく乗る. How would you answer that in the negative? Pause the video here. あまり乗らない。あまり乗らない。毎日日本語を話す? 毎日日本語を話す? Pause the video here. 話す。話す. And now, how would you answer in the negative? Pause the video here. 話さない。話さない。毎日テレビを見る？毎日テレビを見る？ Pause the video here. 見る。見る。Now, how would you answer in the negative? Pause the video here. 見ない。見ない。明日大学に来る？明日大学に来る？ Pause the video here. 来る。来る。And in the negative, pause the video here. 来ない。来ない。今日宿題がある？今日宿題がある？ Pause the video here. ある。ある。How would you phrase that negatively? Pause the video here. ない。ない。自転車を持っている？自転車を持っている？ Pause the video here. 持っている。持っている。And now, answer in the negative. Pause the video here. 持っていない。持っていない。来週カラオケに行く？来週カラオケに行く？ Pause the video here. 行く。行く。Now answer in the negative. Pause the video here. 行かない。行かない。毎週部屋を掃除する？毎週部屋を掃除する？ Pause the video here. する。する。Now in the negative. Pause the video here. しない。しない。毎日洗濯する？毎日洗濯する？ Pause the video here. する。する。Now answer in the negative. Pause the video here. しない。しない。 Right, we'll expand our practice now by including some adjective phrases. Here again, the surprising thing is that you'll have some single word sentences or single word questions. A question that might be voiced formally as あなたは暇ですか?あなたは暇ですか? Do you have some free time right now? In informal Japanese, simply, plainly, is voiced as 暇? 暇? So again, getting used to informal Japanese will take some doing. Exposure to it through Japanese media, anime, movies, songs, and that sort of thing are good places to get a feel for and a grasp on what this looks like and what this sounds like. All right, same idea here. I'll give you a short question in Japanese, ask you to respond affirmatively. I'll ask you to pause the video and reveal the answer, how you would respond to that affirmatively, and then to also do the same thing, but to answer negatively. So the first question I have for you is, 暇? 暇? Pause the video here. Hima. Keep in mind you can use da if you want a little extra emphasis, right? Hima da. Yeah, I'm free. All right. How would you answer this question in the negative? Pause the video here. 暇じゃない。暇じゃない。忙しい? 忙しい? Pause the video here. 忙しいよ。忙しいよ. Yeah, I'm busy right now. How would you answer negatively? Pause the video here. 忙しくない。忙しくない. Keep in mind the two key differences here is how we start this answer, instead of iye, and of course with adjectives, negative and affirmative, in informal Japanese, we're taking des off the end. So instead of iye, 忙しくないです, in informal Japanese, we'll simply say, 忙しくない, and leave it at that. この教科書はいい?この教科書はいい? Is this a good textbook? Pause the video here. いいよ. いいよ. And now answer in the negative. Pause the video here. よくない。よくない。料理が上手? 料理が上手? Pause the video here. 上手. Or also, 上手だ. Now answer in the negative. Pause the video here. 上手じゃない。上手じゃない。お風呂が好き? お風呂が好き? Pause the video here. 好き. Or alternatively, 好きだ. Now answer negatively. Pause the video here. 好きじゃない。好きじゃない。スポーツが嫌い? スポーツが嫌い? Pause the video here. 嫌い. Alternatively, 嫌いだ. Now negatively. Pause the video.嫌いじゃない. 嫌いじゃない.今日は月曜日? 今日は月曜日? Pause the video here. 月曜日. Or 月曜日だ. Now negatively. Pause the video here. 月曜日じゃない. 月曜日じゃない. "日本語のクラスは面白い?" 日本語のクラスは面白い? Pause the video here. 面白い. 面白い. Pause the video here. 面白くない. 面白くない. "日本語のクラスは難しい?" 日本語のクラスは難しい? Pause the video here. 難しい. 難しい. Negatively. Pause the video here. 難しくない. 難しくない. And finally, the most important question of all. 元気? 元気? Pause the video here. 元気. Or also, 元気だ. You could throw a yo in there as well. 元気だよ? Yeah, I'm doing good. I hope you're all doing well. All right, how would you answer in the negative? Certainly hope this isn't the case. Pause here. "元気じゃない." 元気じゃない. All right, that'll complete our practice for some informal questions and answers in Japanese. 皆さん勉強頑張ってね.